Hello all. In the series of covering SAT topics, this is our second video in which we will cover polynomials. So first of all, we'll learn what is polynomials, how we can define them. So basically, a polynomial is an algebraic expressions, or algebraic expressions we can call them as combination of terms where exponent on any variable is always a whole number. For example, we can say 2x square plus 5x plus 9. This is a polynomial. 5x plus 3. This is a polynomial. 2x. This is a polynomial. Even any constant number like 2. This is also a polynomial. Why this is a polynomial? Because we can write this as 2 times x to the power 0. And as you can see in the definition, any variable can have a 0 as the power because the variable having an exponent of whole number and 0 is a whole number. Now then we can say, suppose we are having 5x to the power 2 over 3 plus 4. This is not a polynomial because here you can see the exponent in the variable is not a whole number but it's a fraction. Similarly, if any negative power is there, like 2x to the exponent negative 2 plus 1, so here we are having a negative exponent over the variable, so this is also not a polynomial. Then next we have to study in polynomial is degree of polynomial. So what is degree of polynomial? If we talk about degree of polynomial, then for a polynomial in one variable, highest exponent on the variable term dictates the degree of polynomial. But if we will be having more than one variable in a polynomial, then it will be sum of highest terms. I mean sum of degrees which will become highest. Now let's come to types of polynomials. Categorize polynomial on two bases. First is on the basis of number of terms. So on the basis of number of terms, first is monomial. Monomial will be only one term. For example, we can write 2x, 6x square, 5x cube, only a constant number. So these are monomial. Then number 2, binomial, means containing two terms, a polynomial with two unlike terms. If two like terms are there, then they can be added to get a monomial. So we can say 2x square plus 5, x plus 1, 5x cube plus 3x square. So these are binomials. Then number 3, trinomials, means a polynomial containing three unlike terms. For example, x cube plus 3x square plus 5, 5x square plus 3x plus 1, x cube plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 5. So these are trinomials. For more than three terms, we just call them as polynomials. Then on the basis of degree. So on the basis of degree, we categorize polynomials as linear polynomial, means degree is 1. Degree of polynomial is 1. For example, 3x plus 5, 2x, 9x plus or 9x minus 1. These are linear polynomials. Then number 2, quadratic polynomials. Degree will be 2. Degree 2. For example, we can say ax square plus bx plus c form, where a, b, c, at least a is not equal to 0. Then we can write any quadratic polynomial in this form, like 3x square plus 5x minus 9, or x square plus 5, x square plus 2x. All these are quadratic polynomials. Then number 3, cubic polynomials, where degree is 3. And example we can give as x cube plus 5x square plus 7x minus 9, or just x cube plus 1. These are cubic polynomials where the maximum exponent can be 3. Number 4, quartic polynomial, where in quartic polynomial the degree is 4, and example we can give 2x to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 5, where maximum exponent will be 4. We can simply write x to the power 4 minus 1. So these are quartic polynomials. For more than degree 4, we simply call them with number of degrees, like polynomial with degree 10, polynomial with degree 6, like that. Now next is operations on polynomials, algebraic operations basically. Algebraic operations on polynomials. So if we talk about algebraic operations on polynomials, then first is addition or subtraction. Addition or subtraction. So in addition or subtraction, what we do, we add or subtract like terms in row method or column method. For example, x cube minus 3x square plus 4, and suppose we have to subtract 3x square plus 5x minus 1. So what we will be getting, x cube minus 3x square plus 4, and then it will be minus 3x square minus 5x minus plus 1. So we will be getting, from here we can write x cube, then you can see minus 3x square and minus 3x square, that is minus 6x square, then minus 5x plus 4 plus 1, so plus 5. So this is called a standard form of any polynomials, where we write the terms in decreasing order of their exponents. Like here in first term we have exponent 3, then 2, then 1, then 0. So this is called a standard form of polynomial. Next, we can do the same operation in column method also. Like we have to add two numbers, like two expressions, 2x square plus 5x minus 9 and 7x square plus x plus 13. So when we need to add them, we will simply add like terms, and we will write like terms one below the other. So negative 9 plus 13, we will be getting plus 4, 5x plus x, 6x, 2x square plus 7x square, so we will be getting 9x square. So this is our answer. Now next is multiplication. So for multiplication of polynomials, there are two methods. One is FOIL method and other is box method. So let's do first by FOIL method, and then same question we can do by box method. So suppose we have question where we have to multiply 2x minus 3 times of 4x plus 1. Then what we will do, see, this is called as FOIL method, when we will take the term from the first one. So see, FOIL means first, here first term we have to take, then first out, inner, last. So first outer one, so 2x times of 4x, so we will be getting 8x square, then 2x times of 1, so we will be getting plus 2x, minus 3 times of 4x, so we will be getting negative 12x, then minus 3 times of plus 1, so we will be getting negative 3. Now we will add or subtract the like term, so we will be getting 8x square plus 2x minus 12x, so we will be getting negative 10x, and then minus 3. So this is our answer. Now if you want to do the same by using box method, then what we need to do, we just need to make a box where we can make a box like this. So since you can see both the terms are containing, both the polynomials are containing two terms, so we'll make a 2 cross 2 box. Then one of the polynomial we can write in the row and the other we can write in column. Now it may have more than 2 terms, and it may have different number of terms in both the polynomials, like 3 or 2. Then you can either make a 3 cross 2 box or 2 cross 3 box, depending on yourself. So here we will be writing 2x, then minus 3, then 4x plus 1. So 4x times of 2x, so that is 8x square, 4x times of negative 3, that is negative 12x, 1 times of 2x, so we will be getting 2x, and 1 times of negative 3, so we will be getting negative 3. Now we have to add all of them. And remember, whenever in a box method, if you have written the terms in standard form, then you will be always getting the like terms from right to left diagonal. As you can see, negative 12x and 2x we are getting, so it will always be in right to left diagonal. So we can write this as 8x square, then negative 12x plus 2x, so minus 10x minus 3. So this is our answer. This is how we can do in a box method or in a FOIL method, any multiplication we can do. Now next is division. So in SAT syllabus, division is not that much. We need to learn basically division by a monomial. But if we talk in broad view, then we have to know two types of division, synthetic division and long division method. But we will do that in a separate video where we will learn only division of polynomials. Here, according to SAT syllabus, we don't need to study that much. So division by monomial. So suppose we are having 2x square plus 5x plus 9 divided by x, then we will not be able to divide because there is no common x in the numerator. But if we will do this as just 2x square plus 5x divided by x, then we can divide. We can take x common from the numerator, then it will become 2x plus 5 and divided by x. So now x can cancel out, so we'll be getting 2x plus 5. So this is how we can use division of polynomials. So that's all in this topic. We will meet again in next topic of this series. Thank you.